Hi, welcome to my page. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make money using your mobile phone. Yeah, you heard me correct. That mobile phone of yours can be a source of money to you if you just know exactly how to use it. It's quite easy. So today I'm going to be introducing you to an app. The name of the app is called Atapo. Yeah, Atapo. Now, Atapo is an app where you go on it, you answer a few questions, and you make a few cash from it. It's quite easy, I must tell you. A lot of people have been using it and it has been working for them. I use Atapo to make some little change, to buy a few items that I need, and it's quite good, reliable, and very legit. Now, all you have to do is to use the link I'm going to be posting under this video. You click on it. If you're an Android user, it will take you straight to Play Store. If you're an iPhone user, it will take you straight to App Store. So once you download it, all you have to do is to sign up with your details. When I mean your details, I mean your name, your phone number, and your email address. You'll be sent a verification code. With that verification code, that's how you verify your accounts and answer a few details about yourself, and you're good to go. I know you might be wondering, after doing the surveys and everything, how are you going to get your money? Now, Atapo has provided different options if you want to cash out the money you have made. Now, one of the options to cash out is using Amazon gift card. If you have an Amazon account, once you have reached the eligibility fund, which is £2 or $2 as the case may be, all you have to do is to put in your Amazon email address, or they'll give you a link where you copy and you take it straight to Amazon, and you can redeem your cash price from there. That's one. You can also use your PayPal account. Now, it depends on the location you are. I know some countries in Africa, PayPal doesn't work there. You don't receive money, especially in Nigeria. But if you're in South Africa, you're in UK, you're in America, you're in Canada, you're in Germany, any of the European countries, you can use your PayPal account, okay, to get your money. And then also your bank account. If you're using a Revolut account, you can also get the money straight into your Revolut account. Now, these are the different ways you can get your money in. And if you use the code that I'm going to be putting on the comment section and on the link of this post, if you use it, you are going to be getting 40 pence. Now, I'm saying 40 pence because I'm here in the UK. Now, it depends on the country you are. If you're in America, you have like $40 or $50, 50 pence as the case may be, you have that. Now, the more you answer questions on the app, the more the frequency you have tasks you'll be doing. Now, the more tasks you perform is basically you doing surveys. The more surveys you do, the more money you make. The more surveys you do, the more money you make. So use your spare time, your free time, and take a survey, and then you make the money. It's quite easy. Now, I believe this video is going to help one or two persons. Now, if you download the app and it's working for you, you can share this video to your friends. And if you're having any difficulty downloading the app, you can just drop your comments on this post. I'll be here to answer all your queries, all your questions. I'll be here to answer them. Now, don't forget to use the link I'll be putting on this video. Okay, and also if you go ahead and download the app without using the link, now there is a code you can still use. Just put in the code. It's called an invite code. Once you put in the code, you get free money without doing anything. You get free money. All right. Now, I believe this video has helped one or two persons. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.